Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to mud drywall using an easy method. First, gather your essential tools: joint compound, drywall tape, and a set of mudding knives. Next, ensure your drywall surface is clean, dry, and free of any loose debris or dust. Then apply a very thin, even layer of joint compound over all seams and screw holes, just enough to cover them. Once your initial mud layer is down, it's time to embed the tape. Press paper or fiberglass mesh tape firmly into the wet compound over the seams. Use your mudding knife to smooth out the tape, ensuring there are no air bubbles and that it's fully adhered. Scrape off any excess compound, then let this first coat dry completely, which can take several hours. After the first coat is completely dry, apply a second, slightly wider layer of joint compound. This coat should extend beyond the edges of the first, feathering out smoothly into the drywall. Once that's dry, apply a final, very thin skim coat. This last layer is crucial for achieving a perfectly smooth, professional finish, blending everything seamlessly. Finally, once all coats are dry, lightly sand the mudded areas with fine grit sandpaper, like 150 grit, until perfectly smooth. Be careful not to oversand. Thoroughly clean the entire surface to remove all sanding dust, ensuring a pristine base for painting. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Then, prime and paint your drywall for a beautiful, professional result.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.